Etisalat Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to plans and services are in the description. Etisalat is one of the leading telecom providers, known for its strong network coverage, high-speed mobile data, and premium services. It offers 4G and 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Their prepaid and postpaid plans cater to different needs, whether you're a casual user, a business professional, or a heavy data consumer. International roaming is seamless, with coverage in over 200 countries, making it a solid choice for frequent travelers. Call quality is crystal clear, and network reliability is among the best in the region, with minimal downtime. The Etisalat app allows users to manage their accounts, recharge, and activate add-ons easily. Customer support is responsive with 24/7 assistance via phone, chat, and retail stores. However, pricing is on the higher side compared to some competitors, especially for data-heavy users. Who is it for? If you need a stable, high-speed connection for work or entertainment and don't mind paying a premium for quality, Etisalat is worth it. For budget-conscious users, alternative providers might offer better value. Overall, Etisalat delivers a top-tier mobile experience, backed by excellent coverage and strong service reliability.